Did you ever think how hard it is to keep track of the pills to be taken at the right time? And especially for old people, it is a very challenging experience. So, to lessen all these hassles, we present you Botica Bot. At first, the patient or the attendant chooses certain drawer for certain medicine and puts the medicine in the designated drawer.
Please turn on your Bluetooth first. Please select your device. Bluetooth connected.
The user has to set the alarm time at which he or she needs to take the pill. Then he or she has to enter the total number of pills put in the drawer. When it is a pre-programmed time, the user will be notified by the buzzer on the pillbox and also the LCD display. The alarm has to be stopped through the app. The patient takes the medicine and pushes back the drawer. The user has to push the button every time he or she takes a pill. For example, if they take 3 pills, they will push the button 3 times. And like we see in this video, the button is pressed X times to ensure X pills have been taken. The device senses that the stock is running low, so it notifies the user through buzzer and the LCD display. Our device is connected to the cloud, so when the user pushes the button, the confirmation that he or she has taken pill is sent to the cloud. With this, people can get a distant monitoring of their family relatives, and even if there is no one to attend them physically, their medical timings and doses can be easily ensured.
PM selected.
The user can identify the drawer he or she has to open by the number of beeps produced by the buzzer and also the LCD display. A specific drawer, which is the 5th drawer, is allocated for extra equipments other than the medicine. All the components used are really durable and last for many years. Especially, the clock module has an average longevity period of 8 years. This pillbox can be marketed with a price of 1700 Bangladeshi Taka, which is definitely a very affordable one-time investment for 8 years compared to keeping an all-time attendant or a nurse. Every year, a good number of people die due to irregular and irresponsible intake of medicine. If Botica Bot can reduce these statistics even a little bit, then our mission will be successful.